The purpose of these videos are for people that might have the same common problem with their appliance. We'll have washers, dryers, dishwashers, refrigerators, stoves, problems that you might have. And if you do have this problem and you fixed it, please comment. If you don't, look at the video. A lot of comments will cover what you might have the problem with, and you can fix it. So this is helpful for DIYers and see if they can take the task on themselves or end up hiring a appliance tech. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.
Joe Hallett says, can someone please assist? We got this Hisense dishwasher yesterday. After installation, we wanted to run a quick cycle to see that everything is working. As in the video, for some reason the machine only beeps twice when pushing the start button after choosing the cycle. Why is it doing this, and how do we fix it? And here's the video. And here are the comments. Anthony states, doesn't know the door is closed. Jimmy, read manual, something is locked out. CB Appliance Parts and Repair. Hisense DWs have a short pause before starting. Lisa, did you find out what was wrong? We have same fault. Werner, did anyone manage to resolve this issue? Ours is doing the same. Samaki, did you manage to fix the problem? I'm having the same issue. Scott, did anyone really this issue? Okay, don't understand that answer. Juan, I'm having this same issue with the brand new machine. Can't figure out why it won't start. Just double beeps and it's fresh out of the box. Janeki, same issue, received mine on Monday, brand new, can someone please assist? Sue, same issue, have checked water pipe and drainage and everything is connected. Door is closed and still beeping. Can anyone offer advice? Brand new, only delivered last week. Chris, did anyone have a resolution to this? Natalie, following the same issue. Liz, did anyone find out the issue for this, please? I just tried to install it and it's doing the exact same thing. Please help. Bradley, has anyone had that same issue? Bradley, really disappointed with Hisense, had to do this DIY fix to make it work, and this thing is new. Just push that latch and it will work. Madeline, Bradley T. Mapira, explain exactly what the problem is. I've just unpacked mine and it's done exactly the same thing. The little latch in the door switch broke off so the door won't close properly. I've contacted Hisense to replace it. We made a DIY plan in the meantime. Chantel, anyone with a resolution? Same issue. Here's the latch that Bradley was talking about. It says just push the latch. So that's the latch that Bradley was speaking on. And that's it for the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.